Good morning to all. Today I am giving you notes of the first part of the chapter number 1, communication skills. This is the first video which covers few of the topics of this chapter. This chapter is including under the part of employability skills. Basically, employability skills contain 5 chapters. Total weightage of these 5 chapters in the board is 10 marks, out of which I am discussing chapter number 1, communication skills. First point, define communication. Means, what is communication? Communication is a word that comes from the Latin language, that is communis. Latin word communis, from where the communication word is coming, which means having something in common. When we talk about the communication, it means sharing of thoughts, ideas, emotions. It can be a feelings or the messages from one person to another. This is the basic definition of the communication, in which you have to discuss from where the word has been come and what is its meaning. It is basically sharing of thoughts, ideas from one person to another. Second point is elements of communication. Elements means who are the things, what are the things which are involved in a basic communication. When we talk to one another, one is the sender who is having the message, and other is the receiver who is receiving the message. Sender wants to tell something to the receiver, means sender is having a message to give to the receiver. So basic elements of the communication is sender, message, and the receiver. Sender is the transmitter who sends the message, and receiver is the person who receives the message. And this is the here in between, this is the medium which carries the message. If I am delivering you a lecture on this topic, it means the medium is air or the telephonic conversation, or it can be a video conferencing, or it can be a video through which you are receiving something. It means a proper communication channel is there. Sender, it means me. Medium is the video which you are seeing, and the receiver is you who is receiving the message. Next is third part in this discussion is types of communication. Types of communication we have. First one is the verbal. In verbal we have two parts further, oral and the written communication. Second part is the non-verbal communication. Third part is the visual communication. In verbal communication, discussing first thing, that is the verbal communication. In verbal communication, two or more persons are involved. It can be face to face, telephonic, or it can be a group meeting in which more than 2 persons or minimum 2 persons are allowed. It can be oral and written. Oral is just by the means of mouth, means giving lectures, attending meetings, and written is in the form of the brochures, magazines. In between these two, oral and the written communication, preferable communication is written. Why so? Oral communication is not having any of the proof. If I say I will meet you at some place, then it is not a proof that I will surely meet you at some place. But if I give a written information, that I will certainly written communication is better because it can be a record of the communication. It gives the clarity to the informer what the sender wants to say. There is no miscommunication in the written communication, and moreover, it can be used for the lawful purpose. In law, written communication is only used, oral communication has no proof. Second one is non-verbal communication. Non-verbal means without words. If we say, I want to communicate with you without words, it means I am using sign language. Sign language is a non-verbal form of communication in which we are not using any of the words or spoken by the mouth. We are just using the signs, body movements. If somebody sees you with the angry face, it means he is showing the anger. You can judge simply by the facial expressions or the body language of the person if he is happy with you or not happy with you. Third form is non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication is non-verbal means visual communication. Third, visual communication means by seeing, just by seeing you can judge what the person wants to say. For example, if we are moving in a bazaar or in a town, we simply say there is a symbol like this, P with cut. It means this symbol is not speaking anything to you, not even a sign language, nothing this symbol tells you, but you simply judge that this is a no parking symbol. It means it is a visual form of communication. Just by seeing on the traffic signal, you can simply judge that what the symbol wants to say to you. So this is the third type of the communication. Another thing, next topic is sentences and its type. These question that you have already discussed in your very smaller classes, junior classes, but I give you a review about it. What is a sentence? Sentence is a group of words, but there is a consequence that group of word must have a meaning. If a group of words does not have a meaning, then it is not a sentence, it is just a jumble word. And if there is a group of words with a meaning, then it is called as a sentence. So talking about the types in brief, first is declarative, second is imperative, third is interrogative, fourth is exclamatory. Declarative sentence, earth revolves around the sun. This is simple sentence ended with full stop. This is a declarative, this is a statement. Imperative means request or orders. Shut the door. This can be a request or the order. Please bring a glass of water for me. This is a type of imperative sentence, and it also ends with a full stop sign. Interrogative sentence, always ask a question, and it always ends with a question mark sign. So interrogative sentence always begins with who, why, how, whom, means all the W's and H are involved in it. Exclamatory sentence, oftenly a remarkable expression. For example, wow, hooray, we won the match. So it always ends with an exclamatory sentence. So you can easily judge the interrogative sentence with question mark, and exclamatory sentence with this exclamation sign. Requests and orders are always imperative. Simple statements are always declarative. Second part of the video will be uploaded soon. Till then, you will continue this.